Yo guys, so welcome back to this platform, Top Gossip 24, with your humble servant right here. But more than I say, over subscribe, I share now, comment. Quick one, more comment, no, ebusan manage hupa. Yeah, brother, Kwaku Annan, any evangelist Acquaye. Masa enrano, enye easy. Butu. Credited to both of them for coming out to expose the nature of the Igbo people and the nature of Nigerians. And kasa omusubain. Yesterday they did the yeoman's job. Let's go and listen to our brother Kwaku.
On the Frontline show tonight, welcome back our guests who join us on Monday with explosive revelations. This bold insight open a new chapter in the ongoing discussions about the activities of some Igbo elements from Nigeria here in Ghana. Now, he returns with even more information, fresh details that exposes their hidden agenda, their networks, and other relentless quest to destabilize our nation. This comeback promises to even more shocking, eye-opening, and unfiltered. Join me and my guest, evangelist Acquaye, as he unpacks the truths Ghanaians need to hear. A show with an exclusive video exposing an Igbo self-styled man of God who lured 3 sisters into his bedroom, leaving them broken and afflicted them with several diseases. And of course, tonight we bring you the part 2 of it. Mokai, a self-styled Igbo osofwo ache e maiwa miensa womina ye nuanom abo mahemu mpre wabo mahemu mpre asie pia yare dia mom. Why this wickedness we Ephraim Igbo for sa womi di Ghana ha me bo part 2 natural and minibre. Take a listen to the part 2 with the part 3 bedroom. And then short. Take a listen to this.
Nobody will believe you. That's just the fact. If you talk, nobody will believe you. So this man, I will just watch him sleep with other girls. Possibly has with them under age 14 years, 15, 16, 17 years. Eh? So this thing continue happening till my junior sister. Okay. Fast forward to when I was in SS3. It was time for my work fees. Though my father is late, my mom situation happened, so she doesn't have the money. So it was this man again. I met him. I said that the CEO, it's time for WAEC. It was 75,000 naira. I told him that CEO, he said okay, that she understand what the deal is, that I have to pay for it now. And I had no choice. This man left with me. And after using me that night, he gave me money. He gave me that 75,000 naira for WAEC. So fast forward to when I finished, because it also got to a time that I have to leave the house, his house, and go back to my father's house. Even when I was staying in my father's house, this man would call me on phone and ask me, this and that, Shebi, you are doing this, you are doing that. As he was just looking for nothing, like foolish things, that why would I go and do this? Why would I go out without his permission? That I'm under punishment, that I'm this, that I'm that. He would just be talking so many things that will trigger me, that will put fear into me to come to his house. I will go to his house, he will sleep with me. I will not tell anybody, I will go home. So pass forward to my sister's turn, my junior sister. Now my junior sister was 16 years. The same man break her virginity. So when my sister was in SS3, yes.
Your younger sister?
Yes, my junior sister. When she was in SS3, this is the same pastor started putting interest on her that she must work in his shop because he has a unisex salon. The man has a unisex salon where they make hair and do other things. So this man was
the Egyptians we are dealing with today. They are people who are very wicked. The Egyptians we are dealing with today.
After she doesn't have to pay. And I give it a second thought. Though, like, I never believe that this is someone will sleep with her. If I had known, like, I wouldn't have started telling my sister to go to the shop. I don't know.
Come to your home.
So
these are the kind of people we are allowing them to settle.
It's not better you go and work at Apostle school. Apostle's unisex salon. Because you normally call him Apostle. It's not better you go and work at Apostle's unisex salon. I encouraged her, and later on she started working there. not knowing that the reason why the man was persuading that my sister should work at his shop is for him to have the reason to be sleeping with her too. So my sister, that my junior sister, she went to work that day. And when she came back, I looked at her, I was like, what happened? What happened? This is not how you wear when you went to work. What happened? She could not tell me anything. I said, what happened? Did anybody beat you? Because the man, like, trying to tear her clothes and everything, like, the man gave her crash on her face, like, there were some bruises on her body. So I was like, Kenyo, what happened? Can you talk to me? She ended up telling me that the same course her up, removed her trouser in his parlor on the couch again, and left with her. So when she started telling me all these things,
just put yourself together, yeah?
So like when she started telling me all those things, I could not even tell her that the same man used me too. We felt broken, like me and her, we cried, but we don't have choice. We don't have choice, even to the point that she got pregnant for the same man, but she has to remove the pregnancy. At her 16 years old, she has to remove the pregnancy. We will not tell anybody, because if we make an attempt, like if we try to, nobody would believe us, because this man, like, he would always want to do things that people wants to see, like favoring people, putting into social media, doing all manner of things that looks like favor, putting into social media, even to the point that when you come out, if you should come out to speak that this is what Ghost Asoko did, nobody would believe you. Even those that has fallen victim of this particular thing, they will not believe it. That they will not come out to say that this thing is true. They will not. Even the video, like, okay, and I have to make a video because, oh my God. Okay, after we cried and after she removed the pregnancy and everything, fast forward to,
she was forced by the pastor to remove the pregnancy.
No, she removed the pregnancy out of what people will say.
Okay. But the pastor was away.
No.
Okay.
She did not tell the pastor. So that baby should be twins. Is twins. 3 months pregnancy. She removed. I didn't even know herself. It was later that she has to tell me that that pastor get her pregnant and she removed the baby. I was even shocked. I don't know what to do now, and I had to call my own twin sister. I called her. We were crying, sharing the same story. It now happens to be that the same man left with her before she left.
Your twin sister, the one that was sent abroad?
Yes.
By the same man?
Yes. The same pastor left with her before she left. But I don't know, they're against me. Both of them, like, especially my twin sister. Though my junior sister is not really against me. She don't want anything that will stain her image, and she doesn't want to come and start telling people that this is what happened. I even have some evidences on my phone. So that my junior sister, that my twin sister, as we were crying, sharing the story on how the man did everything using us, and we kept going to the church. My twin sister asked me. She said to us that we stop going to the church. I said okay, that we will stop going to the church. Later on, I said to her, stopping the church, is it the best thing? Because the man will always manipulate us. He would always manipulate us. Like, if you didn't go to church like 2 times or 3 times, he will call you on phone and start telling you that the devil wants to do this, the devil wants to do that, the devil wants to do this. And the worst part of it that if he's saying all this is what you're capturing the image, it will be like it will be like what this man is saying is true. If I stop this church now, it's true. He will tell that the glory of God will leave you. That the devil want to destroy you if you leave the church, that your glory has departed. Why would you want to leave your roots? Why do you want to do this? Why would you want to do that? And if you're saying all this and you're capturing it, it will be like, it will look real. So that last year that my twin sister said we should stop going to church, and I said no, going, we should stop going to church. I said no, that stopping the church is not the best thing. That it's better we continue going to church. So we continue going to the church, and later again, the man has to repeat the same thing or where my junior sister is. And I felt crazy, even to the point that this man infected us, like infection. He doesn't use condom. Be it who, he doesn't have choice. If I begin to show you the image of people that this man has slept with, no, he doesn't use protection, he doesn't use condom. He will just go straight like that. If you're pregnant, if they give infection pillow, the man, he will direct you where to go for tests. You will go there. If you come back and it happens to be that you're pregnant, he will tell you what to do to remove the pregnancy.
Osofole ide komo belle. Pastor Oyi pregnancy. Osofo.
The reason why I noticed that this man affected us was because
look, these guys are totally out of place.
That happened to my junior sister was exactly the same thing happening to me.
The average Igbo man
happening to me.
Arrogant. They are very, very. A friend is saying, "Me pass a member words in back.
They could not verify that they couldn't give an account of
when America say Ghana for now who cannot move person be it is time.
We paid money.
Ghana don't give yourself to these guys. Don't give yourself to these guys. Don't give yourself to these guys. Any Nigerian that enter into Ghana, they come in with a purpose, with a master plan. They are not just there.
Why the person who did it is
there? They come in with the master plan. And it's your suffering, and you know, said they are always on plan. They don't just do it.
I said that insulting him more.
Anyway,
even my twin sister, I had to come on my twin sister on phone. I was like telling her, do you know what Ose has done? He told us this and that one tear cry. She started crying. I was like, crying is not the solution. No, people should know what to do and give us more. Let's go and trade this thing. And I nearly exposed him that last year. I nearly exposed him. Do you know what this man now do is that he called me on phone. He said that he wants us to see me and my junior sister, that he wants to see. I said, okay, where are we seeing? He said we should come to his house. So later when we got to the house, he said no, that we should come to one supermarket at Oyago, Abagana. So we went to that supermarket. When we get there,
great. Tape way, memo for bits and bits. Also for the Iran Faso. Why you're tan. Pia yare idigu just like that. Why you Igbo software? We free Anambra State. Girl no free Anambra State but different communities. A Ghanaian content creator has uncovered some deeply disturbing developments concerning the Igbos of Nigeria. Issues demand critical observation and thorough scrutiny. Content creator will be in Sembisua. There were 1-2 angles opposite interrogated, saying and opposite. Take a lesson, watch this carefully.
This video is going to be a little bit long, and I need you to stick and stay with me. I need to let you know that it is important that Ghanaians take this Igbo king issue very seriously. Igbos are not a tribe that any country should be toiling with. Now, listen to this.
Very soon, people are not I can't take it. No. Very soon, I come out of Accra. I can't speak like an asshole like this. Very soon, people are not I can't take it. No. Very soon.
Now, this is an Igbo guy on the streets of Accra saying in the Igbo language that very soon Igbos are going to take over the land of Accra. You can see how excited he was saying this on our land. Now let's continue the reasons why we must take these issues very seriously.
Governor of Anambra State, Governor Soludo, said 99.9% of criminals arrested in Anambra State are all Igbo people.
Now, this is the governor of Anambra State, guys. Anambra State is an Igbo state.
Burkinabes, and even Ghana, where we live. Now, these children are all Igbos. And if we don't let them know the culture and tradition of the Igbos, it means our culture is wiping away. And the installation of this king means to plant the culture and tradition of the Igbo in Ghana.
Now, before you come hitting at me, listen to me first. I'm not against you implanting or exhibiting your children to the Igbo culture. That they have huge number of population. That's the
unit in a joint operation with the CID and Police Cyber Unit Crime has dismantled a cyber fraud syndicate in Sasabi near Dodowa. The raid carried out on July 3rd, 2025 led to the arrest of 25 Nigerian nationals suspected of large-scale cybercrime.
Now, this is the current state of Ghana. 25 Nigerians were arrested for cybercrime, allegedly. Now, this is what they are going to turn our states into finally. Remember that he mentioned that his community, his Igbo village is going to be gated, only one gate entry. So don't you think this will be a harbor to shield people who have committed crimes? Ghanaians, wise up. In the near future, what is happening between the South Africans and the Afrikaners is going to be happening in Ghana. In the near future, Ghana is going to be the annex of Nigeria. You see the insecurity happening in Nigeria. It's the exact thing that is going to happen in Ghana. Ghana is going to be Nigeria annex. Yes. Ghanaians, wise up.
Ghana is going to be what? The annex of Nigeria. Quotes? Ghanaians, wise up. What a God. A Ghanaian blogger is questioning why Chukwudi Jude has been struggling to sleep at night. According to him, Jude has even lodged a complaint with a foreign minister, Okudzeto Ablakwa, about his recent difficulty in getting rest. The Yetitini said Chukwudi no was wada wana. Wontimi na keteswo. Ana empaswo. Wontimi na empaso. Ana wontimi na keteso. Diaba semwa se bibi hune no se die yo. Nti wakobo foreign minister na manie. Their blogger is so a report no. Yinti blogger say himfa and I say me free by. Listen to this.
I think you'd prefer today. You'd prefer to Acquaye no ho abo bi te se gusie na tam pie wia. Say me pie wia se dia na che se ensamalanko. I'd say Igbo issues here edited that way Igbo kin ne ho kola ne banin dia that way a ye tutu de se ne ba say I'd say bia ye so le say ye be ye oye kira na ebefo no ade bibi fufuro da bebom onya hwe Yawaha and I say oye 23rd of this month ya oye August ya you be pina koye oye kire but police for my say akotia abatu otino embaso yame yadomo a oye on the 6th of September omo tata no anadu de suomu nti onto oni ahoto ena Okudzeto Ablakwa as a foreign minister usu de nim jobri wa be kasem we e public what me ambisa no yansasem bia what me ambisa no asem a osese ke umbisa no but osu obeja on behalf of him say to me na Ghana payfo tata no na say omo tata na najuti ontu me nda na Okudzeto Ablakwa me ne wo ye hina yetiri ye baako yetiri akese mitiri yakese osu dia yakese na nakam ni se ke ye no yetiri ayakese nka adwene yansa awom agobetu de bisa sa Chukwudi wenya sasem
Impako a woda so sa na ye tie se woda neni kumo se neni nkumo se hwanim na ehunahuna no ba minim se Ghana asase de ye nananom ye friends Obruman kumanom ne Kwame Nkromanom ne hwan wo ma edin wo mkro mo nsori yo. The spirit of this nation has not yet wake up on Chukwudio. No. Now so the etne say untimi na keteso ana empaso dia sem na esie my way mo. Wait a minute. They call short break me back. Reverend Samuel Acquaye will join me with the very latest that you need to know. This is the Frontline Show, Ghana Speaks 1. I'll be right back. To Reverend Samuel Acquaye as he explored the presence of Igbos in Ghana and the political system. Yes, on Monday, you recall, meaning community, you know, ye tranketi dru baby na enne de eseme manebre no tumi de ye kɔ enim kakra ene nioma so de etude Reverend Samuel Acquaye memwadro pachowapo muti saying
Yankopon adum pacho so de say
anu anase ani Igbo for na epem so ha na dwoe
the Christians
yes take it
up me din kan chie ahwafo ani etiefo
yeah
na me de ene radio Yesu Kristo so asese ne beso ama Acquaye fe
yeah
yamfani sam from the two
yeah
na de ba kon say may you comfortable when you use the word reverend for me. I'm an evangelist.
Okay.
I am coupon now, but in papa di never mamona echinamukodu your friend heaven or that beaction.
I see.
I'm an evangelist.
Martin, well noted, pa. Well noted.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, the Christians so and the day so. Na Malukadina, I am my shishi. I'll say who knows it favorite.
Yeah.
Nah, I could see the young people were very naive. Naive about what is going on.
Yeah.
Nah, maybe Saint Ibn Radima could in Nigeria.
I see.
Now I've learned a lot from them. And this made that I had a correction on Honorable Sam George.
That's right.
Make it yeah. Me last week me tea, but me had a matter but Mentumanka. He's not a Nigerian. He's a Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Now of course to Momo, Nigeria.
Yeah.
And to all them and you are there now. Yoruba for now for the Igbo for possessing it because Nangazo is a bro. Some Canadian there.
Yeah.
And that is last 2 years he knew much about this Igbo and he can text the whatever I'm telling you is the truth.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah. I want to do that to support the,
Yeah.
Papa, mommy in there. Ghana for a me. Yeah. And Omana Yankopan, Nian same or other man, so you nim Omana Kita. You nim Tuma Yakita, you nim Radija Mahan. And then paying in front of so, we'll be good there. Go for your wabba small one best say, man, yeah, the uncle that to him.
Yeah,
and I'm a Christo. Near can I'm not forcing anybody to repent. Whatever I'm preaching about is the truth.
Yeah.
And the truth, I'm being so young, doesn't obey Nejuma.
Yeah.
What can the medical there? When God sends you and you don't go, He uses somebody to do the job.
Exactly.
What is happening? Say, Ghanaians, hen or man paying that will be chemical. Or can't say in a very prophetic.
Yeah.
That is Nana President Nana Akufo-Addo.
Yeah.
I say, oh man, you hear my certificate.
A comedy.
Not a comedy. And I'm a man volunteer. I'm not a politician, but being an evangelist and knowing that what you call eschatology, you need to know what every government is practicing, ever the histories and whatever, to check the eschatological followings Now, Sakas and Okain, a very prophetic.
Yeah.
Young couple wish you on me, wish you on me. Now, or the padashin. On them, the year winning tea. No, or be mine so for. No, when the pa our gun. No, what to gun another sa. Wabafa. That's why I can't send it there. I saw no good gun and the ABC, but they don't understand the times. Years back, some great prophets in Nigeria and Tanzania prophesied Ghana will rule Africa and the world. And then, paying forward the enemy can never determine the greatness of Ghana and wanted to triumph. Now, these people out there, when we went here over Ghana, the people who call Igbo, the people who call, or this tribe we call Igbo, they are very dangerous. They fought Britain, they fought Nigeria, and within Nigeria now, they are fighting with all the other tribes in Nigeria. Now, Yankupon, I'm who come on to Mendim Kudimo. No one kasa, one ya, share Yaka Abusuma, Muho man beer, Wasum Bosom, Chin, Igbo tribe. No one Abusum so, or your Bojasam, or Nimpa, no, I don't want ye.
Hey.
These are the people, when they fought Nigeria, they killed about 3.5 million people. They got to a point, they eat human being. Killing is like planting corn. On your own problem, cry.
Yeah.
And these are the kind of people. Last week, Mitena sports Obama, Alcasa. And these people, you are giving the prominence, and then at the end of the day, even Hausa chief, your mom says, baby, this is not football, sports Obama. I'm telling you, this is not football. If you know much about football, you don't know much about these Igbo people. I'm telling you honestly.
Wow. These
people are dangerous. I'm telling you, the first coup in Nigeria was performed by Chukwuma.
The first coup in Nigeria.
Hey. I'm trying to go on, I didn't follow up. I'm 63 years. And I'm not a small boy. If these small boys are talking today, I think they know much. Forget about your football cases and then let's talk about what is serious. You can tell a Japadi and Yankupon that man. Once Yankupon on a Japadi, one then won't do my shadow. Go and see their towns. Go and see Igbo towns. Now, even this among themselves, when they travel to any other country and they make money, they can't go back to their own town and go and stay there. Juju. You can go back to that place. An old man or old woman can say a local distance and destroy you by the eye.
Hey. How?
We bet you to go to other place. You go to Igbo village, I catch a skakeke. You will never return back. Hey. Or when you come, you become a useless person. When they are working, a live human being, no, they are not appointed. You can go to Igbo land, a land, or a town, like somewhere like part of Kaswa. You can't get about 20 people inside because of fear. In Igbo land, that is where it says sports Obama, Toboase. This is not football. This is not Abedi and then Polo. We are talking about reality. We have never been there. If you play with these people, and what Chukwudu is doing now, this Ekwensu, what he's doing now, oh my brother,
Wow.
What these people are doing, they are not there alone. They have been sent an errand. One more for a purpose. They have the people backing them at home. They want to take over Ghana because the good things now they can't watch them there. Or mine no hear mine. Or mine no hear mine. Sika or mine. That last week I make a say the God deposit that we have because Ghana paying for someone so what I dream power man was.
Ghana paying for 2 years.
Kabosuno sanke 20 million or 2,000 no da abram. Member kakama from area 2 cases your friend 18. Obiagi 1,000 every month. Ghana, we enjoy it. I want Ghanaians to know say we have that money. We have that money. People are eating that. It's about time we stop NDC MPP. We let them know that the money belongs to us, don't belong to them. Only share my calculation there.
My calculations,
Calculation my year the
across sector by sector, eh?
Yeah.
Good.
Parliamentarians. And then how do you call it? Ambassadors. And then some few I've calculated them. Let's say about 500 people.
I see.
Now these people.
If
each one is taking 300 million cedis, 300 million cedis a month. What's it, 3,000 or 30,000 today? 300 million, 30,000 today.
Yeah.
You multiply by 500. 150 billion cedis a month. No, among only 500 people.
Jesus Christ.
500 billion.
MCR, can we see evangelist in a report? We have it here. Move on to screen is Ghana for new one.
Yeah.
Quick.
Each person receive me another, but it's more than that. Me my friend say from a parliamentarian to the presidency.
Averagely, no.
Yeah. It's an average of 300 million. And you understand, say, if you calculate by 500 people, you get 150 billion in a month. In a year.
This is serious.
1.8 trillion. In a month. 1.8 trillion. In 4 years. 7.2 trillion. That is why Nana is saying it is cancelled.
A comedy.
And I can tell you this Saturday, what is going on more channel? What your own payment, you know? MMD. I'm just talking about the first 500 group. And then at the end of the day, no?
Hey.
7.2 trillion cedis. After 4 years, no. In Chile, 1 hour for 8 years, they spent over 14.4 trillion cedis.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, contract contract where the news come back. 27 assets the money on back. 5 years, we've lost 80 billion cedis. Look, they are just using our money. A group of people.
Charlie.
You see, into the Ghana Sikano, also, we say, our money in India. Second Libya, in the time of Gaddafi.
Exactly.
We have something we will call UBI, Universal Basic Investment. So this is the word of God. And again, the Nigeria. Okay, this oil refinery is we prepare Ghana in this kind of way. Mayor said we are taking only 2%. What am I going?
No,
Can you imagine? Yet your man want to petrol. Now my idea what you're casting there. So what this can and be honest, what this can so bad cover. No that to petrol today. Timemufuna, enjoy the working and call your mommy and Tia one cow. Oh, God of Israel. Some kind of from one yet didn't know
too much.
I have the right to tell them. Now, on power, everybody tells you. Now, the back of me, you're in there. Nipper back when I make an answer, I am your President Mahama. You're a very nice gentleman. When young couple not obey, the human summa. Papa, the human summa. Oh, that brilliant one, what's in your dinner, Rollins. Oh, that papa, what's in your dinner, Rollins. I had a man, a human. Can I write yes to Christopher Ben? Others say they not share by because there was a nimpa. I'm far better. You better baby. You better baby. Simple Mexica. Nimpa now bomb chrono. Yet he was a Victor Warrior. Oko Abruchi. Yeah. Open door the car. You are catching. What has happened today?
What
has happened today? There were 8 months. Okay, so what you now? Now say, on the petrol, and one see that got to them.
Yeah.
What is can you know? Oh, yeah, then, or friend, then, or big more connect one and your friend, is a first one. It's about time we present the truth. Young couple like us. These are some of the things. And we are doing today. How many? Oman Konkwa, Yankopan, ordering and send another others your metros. The other than the catcher say, Ghana have about 5 prophecies in the Bible.
Exactly.
Connected to Ghana. People don't know our source. It's the only country of the slaves in the Bafa, and you check through the Bible, you know where Ghana is. It is a we are politicians. Now with your men. And then we have to, I want Ghanaians to know we need to be paid. And what did I tell you? Mr. Kwaku, but what did I mean now? Near from the side, one at Acquaye, then catch a corner, do we than nature within 2 weeks, scaling and you bet me at the car. For good. When there's no one to get a machine, bomb face or whatever. Another shocking news.
Yeah.
Those one politician, yeah. Sam Jonah.
Yes.
Sam Jonah, yes.
Sam Jonah. Dr. Sam Jonah.
He was part of NBC in those days. But the go officer, do you know what he has done?
Tell us.
We're about 501 hectares, not acres, hectares of land in Nigeria. And where the workers estate, no estate now you see, you feel it. Ghana Sika, Nanado kind. Also, my yama, yet is castle, na comedian. When you follow this Sicano, you are. Why did he make money? Where did he make his money? Nigeria not can spend it. Some of them are building refineries in Guyana. Some of them are building refineries in Guyana. Yet in Ghana, there are a group of parties.
Why not why so many investments in Ghana?
Yes. One more election, every parliamentary government, 12 billion cities. They have 350 parliamentarians. Yeah. So one more woman must have 12 billion each. Some from Kwaku campaign. Oh, Yankupo Huyamabo. I'm saying it's about time Ghanaians will come to this level of understanding. And then we ask the government to pay us. But a group of people, just 500 to 1 million people there. It belongs to us. Countries are doing that. Countries are paying their citizens. Okay, obviously, how do you call it? Free education. This is not free. It's about time we say the truth. We better chop boss. We better this. We better pay. But you end up around 3,000. Poor man. Now, the Pabaku, Young University. Okay, democrats called about only 15 1,500 people. But we are taking over 300 million. What I've never even talked about the allowances.
There be any car no multi-team no.
Ya totally this one. Ya monka. Ya to petrol the group. You are the people who put in place say when there is a situation, you fight for it. You want us to go and fight. Hey, fear God and keep His commandment, for that is the whole duty of a man. Man, there is a reason the purpose God kept me in this country. I don't belong to NDC. I don't belong to MPP. Look at my name. Have you ever seen my name in any of the party? Or can anybody ever come out and tell me, say, Mama, party T-shirt is that? I'm a Ghanaian.
Not at all.
I'm a Ghanaian. And I stand for the Lord. It's about time. Sikana Widino. Sikana Widino. It's about time we are going to pray. Now, when we are here, Ababamundo, Wabra, check why you can there. And I'm going to come. Everybody be able to Sakama. National roadside. About no bit on the back now. No, what they drink today after him. A board after your funum. What's our economy? Some bad substance be. No, what they don't know. Speaker. No, look at there. Ghana for 1 city, 2 city. On manner yet is scattered. Minister by the Ban of Kakno. They will send a prime minister into offer on my Mexica. What is the difference between the minister's daughter and the ordinary Ghanaian, as we call it?
Now, Evangelist Shadi say, oh, memoir, and I would say, a MPP time crazy, the gold be Quisiawa, Sobekaya, and on 2D, a Japadia, Deben, our London. Sadi way to come, the Kwaku, when me young fast way. A Japa royalty, Sobekaya, near the gold way you go, near your home faso. And also, Enquiries and Ghana and Pennyphone were taking about saying about Nina Mirefi percentage, but top excellence within MPP were taking the greater percentage, normally Kakrana de Amagana for, and then also Echo Pascal, Emma by Nombesi Sardino. And I can share where you are coming from.
Yeah, and you woman there. One command your man. Some American, I'm off to me down and come up to me and go. And Kwaku here and go to Abediara. Daniel, I want you to understand, sir. She can't go for the money can go each and every one. Oh, get out 18 years. I'm from American Kakabo. Kakaba American and Koma Obia 2,000 Ghana cedis every month for free. So, every 6 months, more than 100 million for month, more than 50 million for month. Because the amount of money people are spending on the essence of who? One man can acquire than a pay for more day. Now, I don't know how you go. Whatever I'm telling you, I'm not begging you to stop. But one day you remember that somebody spoke, and then you die and go, and God will ask you, say, one to Mama could be a cassa what TV so 1 5 years, but this is the main reason why I'm still alive. And I will tell you for first. Mama come and dig Ghana for say. Ghana come dig a condemn question by a boy. Can you imagine this? Nanka. In past 16 years, it took only Canada, Japan to go and do some good to them. Such a massive people go from back at the end of 15 system on man each other way, baby. It's Ghana for him say there was Ghana all the Nigeria for whatever. These people they will crash us if you don't stand up. Catch again in India say on Tias say a bless one or those son not yet. Let the matter free. If they are not going to do, no wonder they can't get it. If I didn't enjoy it, oh, Pierre, Minister Diawokoma, now for now to the master, men began his cut. Because the people are crying. What do you want to walk? No one yaji. Okay, the doomsday will come. The bomb will say, every adekasa, when you pay the island, this is what have to tell the nation. I am nobody. I'm ordinary Ghanaian. But I can win good. I can win what we say, about who spoke to you.
Quite a deep one there.
Yes. Something there. Yeah. I know who called me. Meaning your friend. Meaning your friend. You come on to them. I'm out for a break. You go to hospital. And there's no money. There's no money. Not such chukudi. You need for and some major need the America there. So again, I won't pay for near assembly or more. What many years and won't deport him now then, uncle. So then the Bia will be busy with you. We put over that the come. Then Jendiara. Something there. Until they have a mission, they have a purpose, they have a reason. He has a backing. If we have baby in Nigeria, that is the truth of the matter because one they are running away. They are running away from themselves. It is what we have. I could take hey, Ghana, see me, 11 o'clock, there's no problem. They are enjoying our country. Women to say because what the armed robbery, what the Jimpakuku, Annan, what that shall say, Etisin, Yamba, Mayende, Yaba, Sama, Moso, I be a Fishabochi, Abafonduku.
Now, evangelist, in my debia, Titinesi, a friend at Titin Chrono. Unim Humpenism.
Patanana.
Yes, BB Baya near friend at Titin Chrono in the 60s.
Oh, yes.
I see.
Oh. Now, these people during that time now, how do you call it? Hello?
Yeah.
During that time now, offense saying, Nana Jimam Kumasi, if I'm right. Yeah. Oh, we know. And what the frame? What the frame?
I see.
What the kitchen coffee, what you went to. It is not them at all. That is the truth of the matter.
I see. So, and no, Emma Buzia Bino.
Oh, yes.
So, the Pamo.
People did not understand Buzia during that time. And they are taking over.
But evangelist, and young one was say here, Buzia Abain, any Akufo-Addo, ne Papai, Edward Akufu, and almost pass the aliens compliance order at the Pamo. Eban saying Akufo-Addo, Baya, Wono. It's as if you are standing on your father's grave and you are urinating. Say, Ube pass the ECOWAS treaty. All presidents have been, including former and late Flight Lieutenant General Rawlings, Kufo, all of them, Obieno pass the ECOWAS treaty. Nana don't want baya. Now, some abe pass the ECOWAS treaty. Something your father fought against. What do you make of it? As your last submission. There?
I'm telling you, sir. Hello,
Reverend Miwaha.
Sankofu. Before nobody moved from whether Anambra or Imo or Abia or any other person, anyone would my dear way.
I see. I get you.
That our sister now, also a vehicle all for other enter Ghana.
Oh yes.
And they meant with the I mean from my husband and Namukuni, you had not Mrs. McGanny there. Open and put you in the next because of the Bima. Is a meat. Because of the business, all the need you were keeping the camp.
Evangelist.
All right, guys. We are back to conclude. Abusian, I believe said Muti Nina. It's something else, but if I want to just add couple of stuff to it, no, me say Evangelist Acquaye, Aka Nsem Bebri. He said a lot about Niama na Ekoso with respect to Ghana and Sem and things that have happened. Ebra no one Nigeria. He has explained what took him to Nigeria and all that. Unfortunately, he couldn't finish the whole thing, but I think Ebra Kukwana will bring him back next week to come and complete it. But when you listen to him carefully, and when you listen to the other lady who was also explaining when dealing with Igbos and dealing with the Igbo King thing, Obeun said enya agro ebusua enya agro. I therefore want to use this opportunity. So we are Ghana ni na utie mi a, let's all come together, help Dr. Hassan Ayarga to stage that peaceful walk is very, very important. And we here because until we do that, international community will not say Ghana for a bre because Nigeria for be go no mudin sem hunu a mu ku amanfo e twa amanfo 3 e via banks ni ade e mbokro no e 419. Nobody will know until we do it, and we continue to do it. Nobody will know. They shouldn't think that we are ranting. Let's put it into action. Ebusuya for afe nso ade ba kwa me de back count says Igbo king no so why na adwin so be celebrate eyi na ebusuya say prepare empe eyi TFI car ni bi TFI car no yempe bi na prepare no for that action the very morning to it no yempe TFI car ni bi in fancy baby na yemfa go di juma kama what they are say there. I hope you guys they understand what they talk. So yeah, na adwin so be there any few on no say spray ho with nunu scent. Nunu scent. But all the same no senior debia make no, we have to come together and make sure say we take serious action with respect to what is going on. I understand say Ghana Immigration Services say ade omo ura mfiefie misra wo fie obi ana say wo neighbor angonefo ni bi ana nagofo ni bi na ohwe na nia me bi ekoso nya, make sure say you report them to the appropriate quarters. Untumi nyo bi kra and report to contact ye bra Kofi Annan, at least obetumi aboa ama na ye fine. Yes, because enra ana say enra oye you know mete say no obo immigration officer panyin no basentelidin nya de nti I believe strongly say intel no wo to handle that situation as and when na opeso beboa ehun hia pa ebusia. Let's do our best say be report to when we find something alarming. Let's do our best. But say Igbo Kennedy or try obenu ne ho ebusia for ne hia ne say wanya video na share there, but ne aka no say yebegu so ya ahoboa for what is coming. But when they say obe subscribe no share no comment. More of him. Ghana is for Ghanaians. Yeah, bye for now.